We're helping people.
I have always wanted to be a lawyer.
And love what we do at Sledge.
Clients are at the heart of everything that we do.
This is a day in my life. I'm Michael Hardacre. I'm Head of Occupiers and Public Liability here at Slater & Gordon, and this is a day in my life. I run a team of 5 in Manchester, and we're all working from home now. There's Darren Hughes, who's a senior associate. We are supported by Helen Briscall, paralegal, Rebecca Taylor, litigation executive, and Georgia Kennedy, who is a legal assistant. Day to day, I deal with multi-track, getting into the catastrophic range, and all sorts of different scenarios: co-steering, climbing accidents, trampolining accidents, where clients can suffer really quite serious injuries. So yeah, usual daily routine. I'll get up early, have a brew, make some breakfast, do a couple of hours probably, and then around 9 or 10 o'clock take a little break. You've got to have 11s or 12s, and then just do another stint before lunch when I get back.
Fundamentally, what we are doing is preparing a case for litigation, getting all the evidence together so that you can put it in front of your hypothetical judge in court and say, this is how our client's been injured, these are the financial losses that they've suffered as a result of this accident. All of that needs evidence, and that's reports, that's experts, and all of that process of getting the evidence in, putting it to the other side, they come back with their evidence, and then the negotiation process. That's the nuts and bolts of our job.
Well, she said that he's been on a couple of times, but he's not gone far. But also, I think what's more telling is the fact that he's not been in contact with anyone from the cycling club.
No. This particular client, he's middle-aged guy and came off his bike, hit a pothole in a carriageway. Nasty accident, fractured his back, although not severe long-term injuries. But as with a lot of cases, psychological consequences which don't necessarily reveal themselves straightforwardly. I do think it would help the case if we go down that route. I think on balance, my advice to you would be that we pursue that and that we get a report in. I'll initiate the instruction. It probably will take a little while to come through, date for examination, etc. And then in the meantime, if you have any further thoughts on that, then just give me a shout and you know where I am. It's been great that we've been able to work so well with the tech, work so closely together with our colleagues, and most of all, during lockdown, been able to continue working so well for our clients. It really is about helping individuals. It's very rewarding work, getting the right amount of compensation for people who've suffered serious injuries and getting their life back on track.